Hi everyone, I'm Eileen and I'm in 6th grade. Today we are going to learn about adding music to a video. Ready to jam? First, create a video. I explain how you can do this in another demonstration. You can find that link in the description below. So now that we have our video, let's add music to it. Open the Photos app. It's time to make music magic. Click on Video Project and then on New Video. Navigate to the video you want and select the file. Now click Create. Name your file. And your video will appear in your project. Now click on Audio and select Music. Here you'll find a list of music to choose from. You can play each title to sample each piece until you find the perfect one for your video. Select the music you like. Unclick Sync your video to the music's beat and lower the volume. Now click Done. Time to check out your work. Hit play. When you're done, you can either save in OneDrive or export or share. Now you can rock out to background music in your videos using photos.